The best homemade hot cocoa. I start with 6 cups of whole organic milk into a sauce pot, and I turn that on medium high heat, but you want to watch it. You don't want to scorch your milk at any point in time. And then I add a half a cup of special dark cocoa powder. So this doesn't have any sugar in it. It's actually very bitter on its own, but this is the magic right here. Powdered sugar. A lot of people put regular sugar. Use powdered sugar. This is actually a cup and a half of powdered sugar. Add that straight in. And then you're going to whisk the daylights out of it. You're going to whisk this until you have a nice, smooth, even hot cocoa consistency. Make sure you're watching the temp on your cocoa. You're going to add a half a cup of half and half. Now, this is optional. I add this because I like a little bit of a creamier texture to my hot cocoa. And then I also throw in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this just gives a rounded out flavor to the hot cocoa, which I personally prefer. Everyone will drink this up. This is not like your gas station hot cocoa or the packet mix hot cocoa. It is decadent and delicious. So we took our hot cocoa and decided to enjoy a day at the beach in good old Michigan. Got to take advantage of those sunny days. Enjoy from the nerd who loves food.